Now it's time for you to practice. That's right. You need to practice how to read a prefix list and understand what that particular prefix list will match and not match. If you cannot read a prefix list, then when it comes to troubleshooting redistribution or route filtering, you will not be able to do so, especially if they rely on the prefix lists. So take a moment here. Pause me. Make me quiet. Do what you need to do to take a screenshot of this or these 6 examples we're looking at. And go to the side, print it out, and write on the paper. Figure out what these match. Remember, you have this as well. If you haven't already taken a screenshot of this and printed it out, do so now. This is going to come in handy. So take a moment to do that. All right. So now's your opportunity. Go through these. Figure out what each and every single one of them mean. And then we'll go through them together to make sure that you have the right answers. So hopefully you've taken the time to complete these 6 different prefix lists and identify exactly what is being identified within them. Let's go through them together. So that way there we can understand exactly what is going on. And for the first few, we will use the chart. But then as we get down towards the end, we're not going to use the chart. We'll just annotate everything right here. So the first one, 0, 0, 0, 0 / 0 greater than or equal to 32. Let's go to our chart. Let's fill it in up at the top here. We're looking for 0, 0, 0, 0 / 0 greater than or equal to 32. Is there a G, E, or L, E? Yes, there is. So convert the slash, and when we convert the slash, which is a 0, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 0. So 255 minus 0 is 255, 255, 255, 255. So our address is 0, 0, 0, 0. Our wildcard mask is 255, 255, 255, 255. And as a result, what do we have? Right, we have an ending IP of 255, 255, 255, 255. And then the subnet mask has to be greater than or equal to 32. And it was a permit statement. They're all permit statements. So we can circle that in our examples. Permit. And what are we permitting? Ooh, we're permitting all addresses with a subnet mask from what? Oh, 32 to 32. That's what we're permitting in this particular case. All addresses with a subnet mask from 32 to 32. What type of addresses are those? Or what type of routes are those? Yeah. It's exactly what we are referring to here. Every single host route. So just host routes we're looking for here. Any route with an address or a subnet mask of /32. So that's what this first prefix list is going to be permitting. Host routes. So if we had a route that was 10.1.1.8/28, is that a host route? No. What if we had a route in a routing table that was 10.1.1.8/32? Is that a host route? Yes, it is. That would be permitted in that case because it has a subnet mask of /32. Example number 2. What do we have in this case? We have a prefix list called B saying permit 128.0.0.0/2 greater than or equal to 17. 128.0.0.0/2 greater than or equal to 17. Let's go to our chart for this one. Help us visualize everything.